Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can create a Microsoft account for your work or for your personal use. So, first up, you're gonna go ahead and search up create a Microsoft account. Now, you're gonna click on enter. Alright, so once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to this clean looking website. So, you will have to click on sign in. Okay, so now it will take you to this page, and you have to click on create an account over here. So now it's going to tell you to pick an account. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on use another account, and then you'll click on create one again. Okay, so now remember how I had showed you how to create a Gmail account? So you're going to put your Gmail address right here, and you're going to click on next. So now once you filled it out, you're going to click on next. So now it's going to tell you to create a password. So I would suggest you should create the password which you already have for your Gmail account, so it's easier to remember. But also make sure that your password is not very easy to guess, or if somebody can just hack into your account. So you're gonna click on next. Now it's gonna ask you your first name and your last name. So you're gonna put that. So now you're gonna click on next. Okay, so now it's gonna ask you what is your birth date. So if a child uses this device, then select their date of birth to create a child account. And if you're not a child, you can put your a normal birthday. So you have to click on day, month and year. So now once you've filled your details, you're gonna click on next again. So it's going to send you a code, and you will have to open your Gmail address and enter the code right here. So now you're getting this email so that Microsoft can make sure that you're a real human and it is not a bot who is making these accounts. So you're going to copy paste that, or you're just going to enter that in. So now it's telling us to help you beat the robots. So this is another measure to make sure that you are not a robot. You're gonna click on next. So now it's going to give you this. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So now the hand is facing to the right. So the chair should also be facing to the right, like this. So you're gonna click on submit. And then it will show you that your verification is complete and you are proven that you are a human and you can continue your action. So now you will be taken to your account page. So let me know in the comments if I should make a video on how you can customize your Microsoft account to how you want it to exactly be. So thank you, and I hope I helped you out in making your first ever Microsoft account, or I helped you clear some doubts in creating a Microsoft account.